We thank the president of our division
turashimira president wa division yacu
for the message that he has given to us.
kubw'ubutumwa bwiza atugejejeho.
But let me tell you something which surprises me.
Reka mbabwire ikintu kintungura.
This last Sabbath,
ku isabato ishize,
I was reading my Bible.
nasomaga Bibiliya,
Acts 2 verse 2.
ibyakozwe n'intumwa igice cya 2 umurongo wa 2.
I went for there is a word in Kinyarwanda that I don't understand.
Hari amagambo mu Kinyarwanda ntari numvise neza.
Umuriri.
Umuriri.
That is a
strong wind.
So I didn't know that word.
Iryo jambo ntabwo nari ndizi.
I tried to ask some of the president here.
Noneho ngerageza kubabaza bamwe mu bayobozi ahangaha.
I tried to call them.
Ndabahamagara.
They said, "Can you give me explanation of this word?"
Ansobanurira iri jambo.
I asked two presidents of the union, the fields.
Nabajije abaperezida b'amafield babiri.
I went to any other lay person
ndetse ndagenda mbaza n'undi mwizera
to see if those words the explanation they are giving me is the right one.
Kugira ngo numve niba ubusobanuro bampaye ari bwo.
But today,
ariko uyu munsi,
I have received the explanation.
Nabonye ubusobanuro.
So what is surprising me
ikintangaje rero
is to see that this week what I was thinking
muri iki cyumwe mugenda bitekerezagaho
is what the president of the division has presented to us.
Nicyo president wa division atubwirije.
You president, you know that I'm not lying, I'm telling the truth.
Mwe nabajije murabizi ko ntari kubeshya, narababajije.
I will not mention their names,
ntabwo ndivuga amazina yanyu,
but you know yourself.
ariko muri yizi.
Thank you so much.
Murakoze cyane.
I've said that our leaders, they are with us today.
Navuze ko abayobozi bacu bari kumwe natwe uyu munsi.
And tomorrow they have another assignment.
Ejo bafite inshingano.
And we have that privilege to be with them today.
Dufite rero umugisha wo kuba turi kumwe nabo uyu munsi.
And we are going to gain more.
Turunguka byinshi.
But before we start,
mbere yuko dutangira,
I want to present to you our leaders.
Reka nakire abayobozi turi kumwe bacu, abayobozi bacu turi kumwe.
Those who knows the president of the division is those who doesn't know.
Abatazi president wa division ni bande? Batari bazi president wa division.
Everybody knows him.
Buri wese aramuzi.
Even those who are in the village.
Nabo mu giturage rw'imbi hiryo yongiye.
They know him.
Baramuzi.
Yeah, and the reason why they know him,
impamvu kandi bamuzi,
is for something good that he's providing to the church.
Nukubera ibyiza akorera itorero.
So, Elder, welcome, and thank you for the work that you have done.
Muyobozi, tubahaye ikaze kandi tubashimiye umurimo mukorera Imana.
These people, they love you.
Abantu barabakunda.
Yeah. Yeah. So he didn't come alone.
Ntabwo rero yaje wenyine.
He came with the other officers.
Yaje ari kumwe n'abandi bayobozi.
And one of the officer,
kandi umwe muri abo bayobozi,
he's my friend.
Ni inshuti yanjye.
We have been doing the same job.
Hari imirimo twakoreye hamwe, twakoranye.
But finally he had been promoted.
ariko aza kuzamurwa mu ntera.
They leave me behind.
Bansiga inyuma.
Yeah. The person that I'm talking to
Undi kubabwira
is not here for the first time.
Ntabwo ari ubwa mbere ageze hano.
Has been here.
Yageze hano.
But he was here not the way he is now.
Ariko ntabwo yaje nkuko yaje uyu munsi.
He used to be the president of Uganda Union.
Yari president wa Union y'Uganda.
But this time he has been appointed to be executive secretary of our division.
Ariko iki gihe yatorewe kuba umunyamabanga nshingwabikorwa wa division yacu.
Let me ask him to stand up so we can welcome him.
Kamusabe kugira ngo yegere juru hanyuma mumwakire.
Yeah, his name is Musa.
Izina rye ni Musa.
In Kinyarwanda Mose.
Mu Kinyarwanda ni Mose.
And Maka is another name.
Irindi zina rye ni Maka.
And he has worked in different aspect of the church.
Yakoze inshingano zitandukanye mu itorero.
He was first of all a teacher.
Yabanje kuba umwarimu.
You teach after completing your studies.
Benshi mwarigishije nyuma yo kumushoje amasomo yanyu.
He went in different parts of the world.
Yagiye hirya no hino ku isi.
He went I remember in Newport.
Yagiye mu Bwongereza,
Newport. Went in South Korea.
Yagiye muri Korea y'Amajyepfo.
In India.
Yagiye no mu Buhinde.
In India. And he has a PhD.
Kandi afite diplome cyangwa se
he taught at AUA.
Ihanitse.
He taught at AUA.
Yigishije muri kaminuza y'Abadiventiste muri Afrika.
Has been appointed to be the president of the union in Uganda.
Aza gutorerwa kuba umuyobozi wa union muri Uganda.
And this time he is the executive secretary of our division.
Rero akaba ari umunyamabanga nshingwabikorwa wa division yacu.
He's going to work with you.
Azakorana namwe.
I am not going to say that he is good. You are going to see yourself.
Ntabwo mvuze ko ari mwiza ariko muzabyibonera.
May God bless you.
Imana ibahe umugisha.
We have
wow.
He knows everything. Don't even talk something against him. He will understand it.
Azi byose nimuzigere muvuga ikintu mumuvuga.
But I know you cannot talk something which is against him.
Ariko nzi ko mutazavuga mutazamuvuga nabi.
And we have another guest.
Dufite nanone undi mushyitsi.
His name is Johannes Olana.
Izina rye ni Johannes Olana.
He's not new in our division.
Ntabwo ari mushya muri division yacu.
He was the associate treasurer of our division for a number of years.
Yari mubitsi wungirije muri division yacu mu myaka runaka.
He came to Rwanda to support us, to help us.
Yagiye aza mu Rwanda kudushyigikira no kudufasha.
Even though that time he was not the treasurer.
Nubwo icyo gihe atari mubitsi wa division.
There was somebody who was ahead.
Hari undi muntu wari uri hejuru ye.
But most of the work he's the one who was doing it.
Ariko imirimo hafi ya yose niwe wayikoraga.
And the church has seen that is appropriate to appoint him to be the treasurer of our division.
Kandi itorero ryabonye yuko akwiye guhabwa inshingano zo kuba mubitsi wa division yacu.
He's coming from Ethiopia.
Aturuka muri Ethiopia.
And this morning I was telling him that we are related because in our family we have a woman from Ethiopia.
Muri gitondo mubwira ko dufitanye isano kuko mu muryango wacu
dufite my nephew has a woman from Ethiopia.
Mwishywa wanjye afite umugore ukomoka muri Ethiopia.
And they have a baby.
Kandi barabyaye.
So we are somehow connected. If there's any problem, I can go to him.
Dufitanye isano rero hari ikibazo kibaye namusanga.
Okay. I want to ask him to stand up. So can you welcome
Kana
him?
musabe haguruke mu mwakire.
Thank you. Thank you. You see? Yeah, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Turabashima cyane, turashimiye.
Yeah, we have another guest.
Dufite undi mushyitsi.
His name is Chuma.
Izina rye ni Cyuma.
You have that name in Kinyarwanda.
Mufite iryo zina namwe hagati murimo.
When he was appointed,
igihe yatorwaga,
most of the people they say Chuma, probably they were thinking that's the Rwandese.
Abantu barategeka tubanza Cyuma ukomoka mu Rwanda.
Yeah, he has been appointed to be field secretary of our division.
Yatowe kugira ngo abe umuhuzabikorwa w'imirimo muri division yacu.
So it's not for the first time to be here.
Ntabwo ari ubwa mbere ageze hano.
In 2016 he was part of those group people who came to support the work that we were doing.
Muri 2016 yari umwe mu bantu baje muri wa murimo w'ivuga butumwa.
He's a nice guy.
Ni umuntu mwiza cyane.
And I had the time to talk with him.
Nagize umwanya wo kuganira nawe.
Even this morning I talked with him.
No muri gitondo twaganiriye.
He had been impressed me.
Yantangaje cyane.
And he had prayed for me.
Kandi yansengeye.
Can you imagine?
Murabitekerezaho?
Yeah, I'm happy for that.
Kandi byanshimishije.
So he's going to be with us today and tomorrow.
Azakomeza kubana natwe uyu munsi n'ejo.
And probably we want to invite him to continue to be here in Rwanda.
Ndetse twanamurarika kugira ngo azakomeze kubana natwe hano mu Rwanda.
We are going to pay everything.
Tuzishyura ibyo ushaka byose.
Yeah. Thank you. You can start, so can you
namwe mwahaguruka kugira ngo babakire.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Murakoze cyane.
Yeah. So let me tell you that the session can start.
Reka mbabwire yuko inama yacu itangiye.
And let me ask my colleagues.
Reka nsabe bagenzi banjye.
But I forgot something.
Ariko hari ikintu nibagiwe.
You know, one day a pope forgotten, had forgot something, and one said, you forgot to bless somebody, to bless the congregation.
Hari umupapa wari bagiwe guha umugisha abakristo.
Then he came and said, let me bless you.
Aravuga araza tireka mbaho umugisha.
But I present to you the leaders.
Reka mbabwire
I presented to you leaders.
Reka mbabwire abayobozi.
I have presented the leaders.
Abayobozi narababeretse.
But I didn't present the people that they are with you, with us.
Naberetse abayobozi ariko ntabwo neretse abayobozi abantu turi kumwe nabo.
Let me ask the president of the field to stand up so they can see them.
Abayobozi b'amafiridi kugira ngo bahaguruke.
These are the president of the fields we have.
Abana abayobozi b'amafiridi.
Yeah, there's another one here.
Hano harundi.
Yeah, we are 8.
Numunani.
And we are expecting to have 9.
Kandi
duteganya
kuzagira 9. Imana nibishikunda.
Yeah. Please sit down.
Mwicare.
Let me ask the secretary to stand up.
Reka nsabe abanyamabanga nshingwabikorwa ngo bahaguruke.
These are secretaries of our fields.
Abana abanyamabanga nshingwabikorwa amafiridi yacu.
Thank you. You may sit.
Mwicare.
And we have the treasures.
Dufite n'ababitsi.
Please stand up.
Ababitsi ba mafiridi namwe muhaguruke.
Yeah. These are the treasures of our fields.
Abana ababitsi b'amafiridi yacu.
They are working hard.
Barakora cyane.
And sometimes I ask them what they don't have.
Hari igihe ndetse mbasaba ibyo badafite.
Sit down, please.
Mwicare.
Let me invite all departmental directors who are here.
reka nsabe abayobozi b'ibyiciro muri ahangaha namwe muhaguruke mujye juru.
These are departmental directors.
Aba ni abayobozi b'ibyiciro bitandukanye muri union.
They are 9.
Ni 9
and they are all here.
Bose kandi barahari.
Thank you so much.
Mwakoze.
Let me invite all leaders of the institutions.
Abayobozi b'ibigo bitandukanye namwe tubasabe muhaguruke.
The first one is the director of ADRA.
Uyu ni umuyobozi wa ADRA.
The other one with the shirt is Dr. Michel.
Dr. Michel,
who is running our dental clinic.
Ayobora ikigo cyacu kivura iby'amenyo.
He graduated from Philippines.
Yize muri Philippines.
The next is somebody who is running our institution at Yitwe.
No umuyobozi uri kuyobora ikigo cyacu cy'Igitwe.
And very soon is going to his program for PhD.
Kandi bidatinze agiye kuzafata impamyabushobozi ihanitse.
Sit down. The other one is the director of finance for our hospital.
Ukurikiye hariya ni
with the red shirt.
Umuyobozi w'umutungo mu bitaro byacu.
He's working hard.
Nawe arakora cyane.
They have transformed our hospital.
Yazanye impinduka mu ivuriro ryacu.
He's standing with the director of the hospital.
Yarahagararanye na directeur w'ibitaro.
Dr. Mumvaneza.
Directeur Dr. Mumvaneza,
who had saved that hospital in a positive way.
Wafashije biriya bitaro mu buryo bushimishije.
Thank you so much.
Arakoze cyane.
There is a business manager of ADRA.
Hariya hari umuyobozi ushinzwe iby'umutungo muri ADRA.
His name is Christophe.
Izina rye ni Christophe.
Thank you so much.
Arakoze.
There is another one, a gentleman over there.
Hari undi hariya hirya.
You didn't know him?
Ntabwo
the one who is standing just near the window.
Uriya wegereye idirishya.
He's the one who had been suggested to run our institution, AOKA.
Niwe wahawe inshingano zo kuyobora ikigo cyacu cya AOKA.
He has a PhD in statistics.
Afite impamyabushobozi ihanitse mu by'ibaruramibare.
He graduated from South Korea.
Yize muri Korea y'Amajyepfo.
And he had been serving before being appointed as the one who is in charge of master's program at AOKA.
Mbere yuko habwa izo nshingano yarashinzwe icyiciro cya masters muri AOKA.
Thank you. There is another one. His name is Etienne.
Harundi hariya witwa Etienne,
who is the business manager of our university.
Na ni ushinzwe umutungo muri kaminuza yacu.
And he's doing fantastic job.
Kandi ari gukora umurimo ushimishije.
There is another one who is there.
Undi hariya nawe.
He is the one who is in charge of publishing. No. ABC.
Ni ushinzwe ikigo gihugura ababwirisha butumwa ibitabo.
He is busy training people here and there.
Niwe rero uhugura ababwirisha butumwa ibitabo hirya no hino.
And we are happy for the job that he's doing.
Kandi twishimira umurimo akora.
There's a gentleman over there. His name is
undi ukurikiyeho izina rye
Yadusoneye.
Ni Yadusoneye.
He's in charge of radio.
Niwe ushinzwe
radio. He's also department of communication.
Akaba ashinzwe n'icyiciro cy'itangazamakuru.
Yeah. And let me tell you, now the government has accepted that we start with the television.
Amen.
The only thing we are looking for some equipments, but very soon we are going to start
ibikoresho bikenewe ariko bidatinze tuzatangira televiziyo yacu.
Okay, let me ask those who are working in the office here.
Reka nsabe abakora hano mu biro bya Union. Abakozi ba hano mu biro bya Union.
Okay. We have 2 associate treasurer.
Dufite ababitsi bungirije ba union babiri.
And they are supporting my treasure, our treasure.
Kandi bafasha cyane trezorier wacu.
You may sit, please.
Mwicare.
There is a executive secretary, administrative secretary.
Hari umunyamabanga ufasha umunyamabanga mukuru wa union.
He is associated to Pastor Samuel Ngirishuti.
Afasha Pastor Samuel Ngirishuti.
And the 2 ladies who are there, one is the secretary to the treasurer.
Another, in
fact, they both. They are assisting the treasurer.
One is the cashier, another one is the
secretary. The one who is standing behind
is
my secretary. Unless I come over there. But those people over there, we have somebody who is very important, who is receiving people who are coming to this office. That lady, she is a lawyer. She's working at the reception. And some people, they feel that this is not a job which is supposed to be done by a lawyer. But when you are coming to our office, you will ask questions, and you don't think that you are responding to somebody who doesn't see what is doing. Thank you, my sister. Okay, there's a group of the people who are translating the Spirit of Prophecy books. You can raise your hands. Okay, those and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are using 6 to translate. Leaders, they have done a great job. So far, if I remember well, they have translated 49 books of Spirit of Book. This quinquennium, they have translated 26 books. Probably in my report, I'm going to say that. You can see it. Okay. There is a accountant. And he is supporting the Treasury Department. There's another gentleman. Yeah, we have adopted him as a Rwandese. And he's not coming back to where he came from. He's supporting the Treasury Department. And my sister, accountant in our radio. Thank you so much. Any other person that I never mentioned? Okay, the lay people. There's the lay people that we use to work together for these 5 years that we just completed. I want to ask you to stand up. These are the people who are supporting our work. We have been working with them. They are coming from those 8 fields. There may be some 2 from one field, but some field they have a representative, one from that field. And I want to appreciate and to thank you for the contribution that you have done for these 5 years. But you are not going to stop. We are still in the work.
ariko ntabwo mushoje ahubwo mukomeje umurimo,
because those who are going to be appointed,
kuko abari butorwe
you are going to work together
muzakorana nabo
to support the work in the fields.
kugira ngo mwunganire umurimo mu mafiridi.
Thank you so much.
Mwarakoze cyane, murakoze cyane.
There is another person who used to be a member of executive committee of the general conference.
Hari umwe mu bizera wari umujyanama mu nama y'inteko nkuru rusange.
If he is here, I want to invite him to stand up.
Ari hano.
No, this one you are appointed. Lady, the one behind.
Uriya w'inyuma.
That is Elast
ni
Kabera.
Umuyobozi Erasto Kabera.
He is the one that who had been helping at the committee at the high level.
Niwe rero wafashaga mu nama ku nzego zo hejuru.
He had supported us.
Yaratwunganiye cyane.
He used to do the work for the government as ambassador.
Yakoze imirimo akorera leta nka ambasaderi.
He was a governor.
Yabaye guverineri.
Advisor of the president.
Umujyanama mu biro bya president.
And he ended supporting us as a church.
Ariko natwe akadufasha nk'itorero.
We want to thank you so much.
Turamushimira cyane.
Okay. The lady, stand up. That one is a member of the executive committee of the general conference.
Uriya mubyeyi ni umujyanama w'inama y'inteko nkuru rusange.
Last time we went together.
Ubushize twarajyanye.
And this time he had been invited to be in this committee.
Kandi yaracwe kugira ngo aze kubana natwe muri iyi nama.
And there is the guy who's here.
Hari umusore urahanga.
There is one lady, my friend.
Hari undi mubyeyi w'ishiti yanjye.
No, ntabwo ari umubyeyi.
Umukobwa w'ishiti.
She's a young lady.
Umukobwa w'ishiti yanjye. Sorry.
And that was stand up.
Ahaguruke.
She used to be a member of the executive committee of the division.
Yari umujyanama w'inama za division.
I was really so happy to work with her.
Nanejejwe cyane no gukorana nawe.
And the term is over.
Rero igihe cy'inshingano cye kirashoje.
But he's going to continue to work for the church.
Ariko azakomeza gukorera itorero.
Thank you so much.
Murakoze cyane.
There's a gentleman who is here.
Hari undi musore uri hano.
He's the one who is in charge of techniques.
Uyu niwe ushinzwe iby'ikoranabuhanga.
And he is the one who is doing this that you can see.
Niwe rero ushinzwe ibintu byose muri kubona hangaha muri iyi cy'inama.
We didn't want to change this one.
Ntabwo twashatse guhindura iyi foto.
Because we can see even the Rwandese they are fitting in.
Kuko tuwasanze n'abanyarwanda barimo.
I see that small girl.
Nabonye uyu mukobwa mutoya.
Like somebody who can represent in Rwanda.
Nabonye ari umunyarwandakazi.
So to have another picture,
kugira ngo tugire indi foto,
I thought that even that one who has a Bible,
ndetse nuri ufite Bibiliya,
I don't know which groups that he coming, but he also looks like a Rwandese.
Sinzi aho mwamukuye ariko nawe ndabona ari umunyarwanda.
The pilot,
uriya mupiloti.
We have a young lady. I thought probably you are the one who took that person.
Hari umukobwa dufite twagize ngo niwe mwakoresheje hubwo. Nuriya musaza ngo seta kwara muzi.
I was told that old man, one president had seen him here in Rwanda. But there is the lay people
hari abizera
who had been selected by the fields.
batoranijwe bashyashya batoranijwe na firidi
please stand up.
baje mu nama bwa mbere.
These are the people who came from the fields.
Aba n'abantu baturutse mu mafiridi atandukanye.
Going to work for these 5 years.
Bazaza muri iyi nama mu gihe cy'imyaka 5 iri imbere.
Thank you so much.
Murakoze cyane.
Yeah, July stood up as one of the department director, but he's also a member of executive committee. July stand up.
July yahagurutse nk'umuyobozi w'icyiciro ariko ni numwe mu bajyanama w'iki committee.
He's a member of executive council of the general conference.
Ni umujyanama w'inama y'inteko nkuru rusange.
There is Joseph Mwambutsa, who is Joseph Mwambutsa. He is the one who had been appointed to be a member of the executive committee. Please.
Joseph Mwambutsa nawe yatoye kugira ngo abe umujyanama.
We were together last time when we were at the division.
Inama ya division.
He is a frontline pastor who is going to representing this union.
No mujyanama uzahagararira union mu nama za division.
Thank you so much.
Murakoze.
The choir.
Hari abaririmbyi.
Stand up. We want to thank you for the music that you have presented.
Turabashimira indirimbo mwaririmbye.
And don't sing here, but fight to sing in heaven.
Muririmbire hano ariko muharanire kuzaririmbira no mu ijuru.
That is what I wish for you.
Nibyo mbifurije.
Thank you.
Murakoze.
Yeah, I think I have presented everyone here.
Ngira ngo navuze buri wese uri ahangaha.
What I can tell you that our aim,
ndagira ngo mbabwire yuko umugambi wacu
is one.
Numwe.
Grounded in the Bible.
Dushimangiye dushinze imizi muri Bibiliya.
And focus on the mission.
Icyerekezo cyacu kikaba mu ivugabutumwa.
That is what is going to be our mission for this quinquennium.
Iyo niyo nshingano yacu tuzaba dufite muri imyaka 5 iri imbere.
This is a theme which has been presented by the general conference, by the division.
Ni insanganyamatsiko yavuzwe mu nteko nkuru rusange muri division yacu.
So it has to be ours.
Ni iro igomba kuba ni yacu.
And this one is going to be in any church.
Kandi ibi bizaba muri buri torero.
We are going to translate it in Kinyarwanda.
Tuzabishyira mu Kinyarwanda.
So we can understand our mission.
Kugira ngo tumbe neza inshingano yacu.
May God bless you.
Imana ibahe umugisha.